Your eyes are one of the most beautiful parts of your body that sometimes becomes your identity. But covering those beautiful eyes with eyeglasses make them less attractive, and we know you don't like it. We are here to help you so that you will be free from your glasses permanently and naturally. Aloe vera stimulates the formation of white blood cells, promotes the healing of living tissues. It also provides a protective effect on the delicate membranes that cover the eyes. Ingredients: 100 grams of aloe vera gel, 300 grams of pure honey, 500 grams of crushed walnuts, lemon juice 3 to 4 pcs. Preparation: make the aloe juice, cut the upper, lower and middle leaves, leaving intact the top of the plant and the upper 3 to 4 leaves. Rinse with cooled boiled water, remove the spikes from the leaves and cut them into small pieces. First rub and then squeeze the juice through a double gauze. When you finally get the juice, mix it with the other ingredients. 1 tablespoon of this mixture is taken 3 times a day, 30 minutes before every meal. It is consumed constantly until you start noticing vision improvement. In addition, this aloe smoothie is a real vitamin bomb. It strengthens the body and whole. Advise: the aloe vera leaves do not get cut immediately, but to first put them on a plate and keep them in the refrigerator for 10 to 12 days. Under these conditions, the cells of the aloe vera plant form substances known as biogenic stimulators, which is the main activity of the cells of aloe. After that, wash the leaves again and follow the above procedure. It's strictly advisable that the aloe vera plant is not older than 2 to 3 years.